Greetings, wonderful boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Cherie Hardy, and I'm super excited about you learning with me today. Today, we're going to focus on the W sound. That's right, the sound that the letter W makes in the English language. Before we get started, though, I want you to make sure that you're in a very comfortable place and that you're relaxed so you can maximize your learning about the W sound. Amazing scholars, on your screen you will see the alphabet that we use in the English language. French and Spanish and other languages also use this alphabet. There are 26 letters, 5 vowels, and 21 consonants. W is a consonant, and the sound is something like wa, wa, like in watermelon, or whale, or water. The W can be at the beginning of words. It can also be in the middle and end of words. Before we get started, I want you to know that your learning potential is limitless. There is nothing you can't learn if you put your mind to it. Let's keep going. What sound does the W make? It makes the sound wa, like in the words water and whale. I'm going to say those words again, and I would like for you to repeat after me. Water, whale. Did you hear the wa sound in those words? I bet you did. That is the sound that the W makes in words like water and whale. Here are 2 more words with the W sound at the beginning. We have wind and walrus. Wind and walrus both begin with the W sound. Let's say them again. Wind, walrus. Good job. You are amazing. Now we have the words wife and woman. Wife and woman both start with the W sound. I'll say these words again, and I would like for you to repeat after me. Wife, woman. You did a fantastic job. Here are 2 more words with the W sound at the beginning. We have wolf and wave. Wolf, wave. They both start with the W sound. Do you recognize the pictures on your screen? Both words start with the W sound. We have waterfall and wheel. Waterfall and wheel. Did you hear the W sound in those words? Waterfall, wheel. You did a great job. Let's get some more practice saying words with the W sound at the beginning. We have web and word. Web, word. Repeat after me. Web, word. Now try both words all by yourself. You can do it. Bravo! You did a wonderful job. Let's keep learning. Now we have window, winter, window, and winter. They both start with the W sound. The woman is standing in front of the window. And when it's cold, it is winter. Try to say both words after me. Window, winter. You are fantastic. Here are two words that start with the W sound. We have windmill and walnut. Windmill and walnut. Windmill, walnut. Now, try to say the words on your own. Yay! I am so proud of you. Now it's time, boys and girls, to review some words where the W is in the middle. We have towels and bow tie. Towels, bow tie. When you hear the word towels, do you hear the W sound? You should, because that sound is in the middle of the word. Bow tie, on the other hand, the W is silent. Let's say those words again. Towels, bow tie. You did a great job. Let's keep learning. Now we have brownie and jewel. Brownie and jewel both have the W sound in the middle. Jewel. Did you hear that W sound? I bet you did. Let's say these words one more time. Brownie, jewel. Boys and girls, do you recognize the pictures on your screen? One is of owls and lawn. We have owls and lawn. They both have the W sound in the middle, but one has a more distinctive W sound. Owls. Did you hear that W sound there? Remember, the W makes the W sound most of the time. Your vocabulary just keeps growing because now we have the word town and lawyer. Town, lawyer, both have the W in the middle of the word. Amazing scholars, here are two more words where the W sound can be heard in the middle of the word. We have trowels and flowers. Trowels and flowers. Remember, the W makes the W sound. I'm going to say those words again, and I want to see if you can hear the W sound in the middle. Remember, when you see the W, you can make the W sound when you're trying to sound out a word. We have trowels, flowers. Now, try to say these words all by yourself. You did a wonderful job. Here are two more words with the W sound in the middle. We have shower and powder. Shower and powder. They both have the W sound in the middle. We've got a few more slides to go. While these two words have the W in the middle, the W sound is almost silent, but with the A sound in front of it, it makes a very unique sound. Let's listen. Hawk and awning. Ah, The AW makes the ah sound. So we have hug and awning. These words also have the W in the middle, but there's an O in front of the W. So it makes a ow sound, like in gown and clownfish. Gown and clownfish. The O and the W make a unique sound. Ow, gown, clownfish. I will say each word again, and please repeat after me. Gown, clownfish. Great job. Again, here are two words with the W sound in the middle. Listen to how they're a little different. We have kiwi and fawn. Kiwi. When you heard the word kiwi, did you hear the what sound? Yes, you did. Then we have fawn. Fawn. Remember the AU makes the ah sound. Fawn. Let's say both words together. Kiwi. Fawn. You are absolutely amazing. Now, we've talked about the W sound at the beginning of words and in the middle of words, but the W can also be at the end of words. Listen carefully. We have cow and plow. You can hear the W sound there. Cow, plow. Great job. While these words have the W sound at the end, remember you have AW, so you have the ah sound, like in saw and straw. Let's say these words together. Saw, straw. You did a great job. Now, boys and girls, we have do and screw. Do and screw. The EU makes a oo sound. Do and screw. But both words end in W. Just remember that. The W can be at the beginning of words, the middle of words, and also at the end of words. The English language can have irregular pronunciation at times. OW at the end of a word usually makes the sound of ow, but it can also make the sound of O. For example, arrow, glow. You don't really hear the W sound in these words. I'm going to say them again, and please repeat after me. Arrow, glow. Great job. Now we're going to get some pronunciation practice. I am so proud of you. Thank you for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books. Let's continue. Now it's time to get some practice saying words with the W sound at the beginning, in the middle, and also at the end. Let's look at column number 1. I will say the word and repeat the word after me. Take your time. Wait. Wane. Wave. Weak. Well. Wine. Woman. Wombat. Great job. Now for column 2. The W is in the middle somewhere. always, awning, down, drawer, flower, lower, shower, and towel. Great job. Now we have column 3. The letter W is at the end of the word. Aglow, blow, flow, glow, grow, jaw, law, and saw. Great job. You can practice these words many more times to get used to using the W sound. Now it's time for a little comprehension practice. Which word has the W sound? Well, if you said woman, you got it right. Did you hear the wa in woman? You are correct. Boats does not have the W sound. Look at these two words. Can you tell me which one has the W sound? Guess what? You're right. Well starts with the W sound. Judge does not. What about these two words? Which one do you think has the W sound? Guess what? Watch has the W sound. The couple is watching something on the computer screen. Watch begins with W and it has the W sound. Wa. Now look at these two words. Which one do you think has the W sound? Is it wave or cat? You got it right. Wave indeed has the W sound. Out of these two words, which one has the W sound? Is it the one on the left or the right? Well, guess what? It's the one on the right because flower has the W sound, the W sound. Flower, Africa, does not have the W sound. Out of these two words, which one has the W, the W sound? Can you tell me? Yes, you can. You got it right. Towels has the W sound in the middle. Van does not have the W sound. We have one more comprehension slide to go. Again, you are amazing, and don't forget, your learning potential is limitless. Now, out of these two words, do you know which one has the W sound? Well, if you said window, you got it right. Window has the W sound at the beginning, and it has the W at the end, but the W is silent. Tree does not have the W sound. Well, boys and girls, that concludes our learning part of this video. Wonderful boys and girls, I bet you recognize the letter on your screen. It is the letter W. The W makes the W sound in the English language. For example, there are words like watermelon or well or window. They all begin with the W sound. And then we have words like flower or towels that has the W sound in the middle. And there are also words with the W sound at the end. Well, again, I am super proud of you. Let's say this letter one more time. W, W. And what sound does it make? You got it right. It makes the W sound. I can't say it enough, boys and girls. You are absolutely amazing. Don't forget, you can connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just keep learning and growing. Take care.